Hi there, thanks for clicking on this video. I am so grateful that you're on my channel. Kindly stay with me because this is going to be a very short video. As you can see, I already pulled her hair up into a ponytail. By the way, this is Elisa. She recently trimmed her hair. Well, not very recent, quite a few months ago, but it's just growing back. So I thought I'll give her a different look. So what I did was pull her hair up into a ponytail, and it's a very tiny ponytail. So I'm not going to leave it as is. I'm going to attach my DIY ponytail that I did some weeks ago. If you're interested in finding out how this was made, search in the description box below and you'll see a link that will lead you to the video of me making this ponytail. So in this ponytail I have about 3 or 4 clips. So what I'm doing is snapping them onto her natural hair to keep them, secured. Next thing I'm doing is twisting some nice big juicy twists. I think I had about 8 or 9 twists. If you want to make this hair and wear it as a hanging ponytail, a puff, or small twist or small plaits, then go ahead. You can do just about anything with this DIY drawstring ponytail. So what I'm doing now is rolling and tucking because I'm trying to create a nice juicy cinnabon. So I roll and tuck and secure with bobby pins. What I love about this ponytail is that it blends so well with just about any type 4 hair. So if you have short type 4 hair or mid-length type 4 hair, you can go ahead and make this and you can fool anyone into thinking that this is growing from your scalp. So this is the end product of the hairstyle or the ponytail. I want to oomph it a little bit, so I'll be adding my golden charms to it. If you know me, you know I love to add pizzazz to hairstyle. So this is what it looks like. Thanks again for watching. I am grateful that you did.